Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your periodic tip app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you click here on settings, you just click on it here. So then you come to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to choose light theme, just clicking this sign or this color. So like you see here, dark mode enable with us now, like you see now here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.